If you need a Shiny Koffing, or a Weezing, or a Galarian Weezing, this isolated shiny hunt is such an easy way to add those to your shiny decks. Let's go ahead and hop in. Alright, as always, we want to come down here and make sure our autosaves are turned to off for the hunting, especially for this one, because Koffing has Explode. We do not want an autosave making us lose our shiny. Lay down a hard save, and we are going to go ahead and hop into a picnic and build our sandwich. For this sandwich, very simple. We are just going to choose rice. This is the easiest sandwich you can do for poison. 1 rice, 1 ketchup, come down here, get 1 marmalade, and then 2 salty Herba Mysticas. That's all you need. If you want to do this without losing any Herba Mystica, I do have a video on how to do that with all the different types of level 3 sandwiches. I've got a card up above. Go watch that. Pause this one. Go watch that if you want to see how to do this without Herba. But if you have the 2 Herba Mystica to spare, look at that. You got just a basically piece of ketchup marmalade bread. Disgusting. And it will get us level 3, level 3, level 3. See? Watch. Ding, ding, ding. Level 3. Let's get hunting. Okay, so we're going to come over to Kitakami, and we are going to come down to this kind of bottom part of this mid part of the mountain. This might already be a fast travel point for you, but not for me, so I'm going to Loyalty Plaza. Here we are at Loyalty Plaza. If you do not have this fast travel point unlocked up here on the mid-mountain, then just go ahead and get on your ride Pokemon, climb up, fly up, whatever you have available. We're gonna go further up, just clipping against the mountain, love it. And Omni Mountain, almost there. Coming to this bottom point to unlock our fast travel point, which will be, I think it's one of the little signs around here somewhere, but the goal is to get here to Infernal Pass. Oh, it's this sign right here. If you go up to that sign, you'll unlock the fast travel. But as you can see, there's Koffings everywhere, and the shiny sticks out like a sore thumb. It's blowing purple smoke, bluish or pinkish purple smoke instead of, the brown smoke, and its body's like a greenish teal blue. I'm terrible with that spectrum between green and blue. I recommend doing either just walking or picnic resetting. I don't recommend the ride Pokemon because I feel like it goes a little bit too fast for the spawns to fully go away and come back. So if you're just walking up and down, this is a great way to look for it. And then if you want to picnic reset, I will show you how to get there. See how there's kind of this little break just a little bit west. There's that break in the lighter color. That's about where I want to go. So we're going to head on up there. So as we're coming up here, approaching our marker, it is just about where this kind of becomes a darker tone. It's this little patch over here. We're going to come a little bit further back this way. So then you can kind of see down to your right and your left as it starts to go up. You get a good view of everything. I like to come back here and stay here, but experiment. You can go a little bit further forward. You can come a little bit further back. But this is where I found is a really good spot to picnic reset. You let all your Pokemon out. You say pack it back up, and then you get more Koffings appearing right away. So let's keep resetting and hope we get a shiny. Oh, hey, shiny. Right? Yeah, shiny. Cool. That's pretty sweet. That took no time at all. All right. There you are. Let's go ahead and lay down a save. Lay down a save so that you cannot explode. Well, you can still explode on me, but so if you do, less than 6 minutes, 5.5 minutes, not bad. Let's catch this duder. All right, landed a crit false swipe. It's asleep because we don't want it to explode, and we are going to Premier Ball it because I like Premier Ball shinies. Let's get that first ball. All right, first ball. So that is one of hopefully 3 shinies we can find for this hunt. However many sandwiches it takes us, so that we can get both forms of Weezing as well. Let's go for number 2. Looking for a shiny boy. There's our second shiny boy. All right, so that took about 10 more minutes. Not terrible. 2 shinies, 16 minutes, let's say. Did not land the crit on that false swipe. But I think asleep and in the yellow should be fine. And it is awesome. 2 shinies down. Oh, hey, number 3. First one to spawn. And that was only like 5 more minutes. That's not bad at all. All right. Koffing number 3. Didn't land the crit false swipe again, but proved that we can do it like this, and we do. 3 caught. That means we get our Shiny Koffing, our Shiny Weezing, and our Shiny Galarian Weezing, which we will get to in just a second. Alright, I left 1 Koffing in the box because we'll need that to get it to Galarian, but all we need to do is increase 1 level from, in this case, 66 to 67, because they're already such high level, they're going to evolve. And here's our Shiny Koffing, about to become a Kantonian original Shiny Weezing. Dum 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 da 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 da. Shiny Koffing has evolved into Shiny Weezing. Love to see it. And now we'll hop into how to get a Galarian one. Alright, I am over here in home, and I'm going to pull the 1 Koffing we left in our box over into home so that I can get it over into Sword or Shield. I'm going to do Shield because that was my main copy that I have like over 2,000 hours on. We're going to save and bring it over to our Sword and Shield. So same situation here. We're just going to give 1 level now that Koffing's in this case, Shield. Goes from 67 to 68, and we should trigger that evolution. But since we are in Galar, we're going to get a Galarian Shiny Koffing, Shiny Weezing, instead of the Kantonian version. And there it is, Shiny Galarian Weezing. Banana, banana. Sorry, I didn't do the song this time. Anyways, we're gonna throw it back in home, take it back to Violet. And here we have my 3 Pokemon that I just caught, fully evolved line. Full for a shiny living dex. We've got the Galarian form. Come on, guys, over here. Whistle. Follow me. You're my friend. I'm your friend. We're all friends. And they are shiny, shiny, shiny. Love it. Got Shiny Koffing, Shiny Weezing, and Shiny Galarian Weezing. Sorry, Shiny Galarian Weezing. You really kind of got stiffed on the good shiny. But boy, is Koffing and Kantonian Weezing great shinies. I hope that this was very helpful for you, and I hope that your shiny hunt goes great and you get at least 3, if not more, shinies. If you did find this one helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, let me know how many shinies you got. I hope you get all 3 in one sandwich, but if it takes a couple sandwiches, who cares? That's part of the fun of shiny hunt. And you're ruining my outro. As I was saying, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more, comment. If you do want to know how to make the sandwich without wasting any Herba Mystica, make sure you hit the button wherever it is around here. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one for another isolated hunt. See you next time. Peace.